In this video I'm just going to show you how you can use dual brushes combined with a basic dot brush to create a multicoloured design. And the brush I'm going to be using for the actual main brush is a hen brush from Graphicxtras. Of course you could use any other brush. So now the dot brush is just created just using a gradient, a blurry, just a very basic dot which is then blurred. First thing to do, just obviously I'm going to put it onto a layer. So layer, new layer. I quite like doing things onto layers. Basically you can get rid of them if you don't want them, which is quite useful. And I'm just going to resize that just slightly so it fits on in the actual document. Okay, so there's the actual design. It's going to be on a layer. First thing to do, go over to the brush tool over here and select the dual brush. What you want to do, and I've got the colour set here, it could be any colour, obviously reds, greens, whatever. Set the hue jitter to be over quite large, saturation jitter quite large, so you get a whole range of colours applied. So it's not just going to be blue, it's going to be the whole range of different blues. That's for the colour dynamics. And for dual brush, key option I always find is very useful is the darken one. So set that one and set the size for the brush stroke, just the dots that is, to be about 100, whatever, depending on the size you want. If you want really large dots, set it. Now sadly there's no jitter feature here in the dual brush. Now it would be a really useful feature if there was, because you could actually jitter the size, so you could have small, tiny, big, and also if it could actually have more than dual. It would be nice if it was triple or quadruple. Just select a whole range of different designs and put them in the thing. Anyway, who knows, maybe someone might actually add that one day. You can modify the spacing, so you spread them out. You can just see a little preview there. You can just see it, so they're spaced out a bit more. One spread out a bit more. The scatter as well just spreads them out. It's a combination of both axes. And the count, basically the count generates more. If you put it down to 1, just get 1 or 2 dots each time. Okay, so just go over here, just click now, and just click there. You can see the dots appearing. As long as you hold the mouse reasonably steady. It's easy said and done. Sometimes it moves slightly, but most time just basically click it about 3 or 4 times, 5, 10 times. Like I say, you could actually, if careful, go back and change the size of the brush size. So I'm just going to fill the whole design with different coloured designs, and then you've got that design. Now, since it's a layer, just drag it over. Of course, I say you could create another one with different sized dots. And of course you can apply layer styles, bevel, etc. to create interesting and maybe unusual designed hen designs. But of course you could use this with any other brush stroke. Hope you found this of interest.